Dear students, in this online class, we are going to learn about marine insurance. As I already told you in my previous class about classification of or types of insurance, right? Fire insurance, marine insurance, and life insurance. About this, we studied in our previous online class. Now, we are going to study what do you mean by marine insurance and what are other aspects are included in this marine insurance. As I already told you about marine insurance. So marine insurance can be defined as it is an agreement whereby the insurer undertakes to indemnify the assured in a manner and to the extent thereby agreed against marine losses. Here, the meaning of marine is relating to sea. Therefore, any type of sea related loss is treated as a marine loss. This loss is covered by insurance company known as a marine insurance. This marine insurance can be studied under these following heads. Number A, ship or hull insurance. Number B, cargo insurance. Number C, belonging to freight insurance. Now, what is ship or hull insurance? Here, the term itself indicates here this insurance is going to cover the risk of a ship. So, if any damage of ship, then insurance company is liable to pay the compensation due to loss or damage of the ship. So, there is a insurance coverage for a ship, that is hull insurance or a ship insurance. Next, cargo insurance. So here the insurance coverage is there for goods. So cargo means goods. So while transporting goods from one port to another port or from one place to another place, if there is any damage of goods due to spillage, leakage, then there will be the compensation to the owner of goods. So there will be the insurance coverage for the goods, that is cargo insurance. Next, coming about to freight insurance. So here freight insurance includes loss of earnings if the goods are damaged or lost and are not delivered. That means in transit, if anything happened due to the negligence of the shipping authority, then there will be the compensation. So that is called as what? Freight insurance. So freight insurance is for reimbursing the loss of freight to shipping company, that is insured. So these are what about three types we are going to be take study under the heading of marine insurance. So after knowing the meaning of marine insurance, and this marine insurance can be studied under these three heads, that is hull insurance or ship insurance. Next, cargo insurance related to goods. In case of freight insurance related to freight, means it is in transit happening of any events, any unwanted events, there will be the compensation. Next, this is ship or hull insurance coverage for ship. So this is what about marine insurance. In our next class, we will come up with another concept. Thank you.